Now I'm going to show you how to link the devices, the security sensor to the alarm system. Here, to devices, you turn this one on, and then which means when it is triggered, so that it will turn on the alarm, such as here. Then when the door was detected open, and then the Thinker Mini will make the siren announce, and also your cell phone will get notification like this. The motion sensor function will also work similar like this. Check here. If I enable this function to work, so the motion sensor, when it detects someone in the house, and then it will trigger the alarm. The motion sensor now detects no one, right? So if I make it face me, so that it will detect someone, correct? And in this case, it will trigger the alarm.